Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Force Abundance, and just out here at the job site, we're getting ready to start a massive, and beautiful Food Force install here in Bastrop, Texas. And in the background, you can see that big canopy. Right behind that canopy is the Colorado River. If you go down about a quarter mile, um, but this is a beautiful property, and over the next few days, we're going to have 30 to 40 people out here changing this entire landscape to be self-sufficient and more food than you can eat. It's going to be abundance everywhere. Anyway, have an amazing day, and we're about to have a beautiful install. Anyway, have an amazing day. Food for us everywhere.